Hi friends, welcome to Preschool Online. It's Mrs. Mozingo here, and welcome to Circle Time. Let's go ahead and get started with our Pledge Allegiance. Let's stand up, hand over our heart, right hand, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Excellent. Let's take a look at our calendar. Today's the 23rd day of March. I see a birthday later this week. I wonder whose birthday that is. And let's see, we have to figure out our day of the week. So let's sing our Days of the Week song so we know what the 23rd is. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Let me hear ya. Days of the week. 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 Alright, and today's the 23rd, so it is Sunday and there's Monday. It is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. And what kind of weather do we have outside today? Oh, that one wasn't a hard one to decide. It is rainy outside today. Well, what kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Let's make a prediction and put in our prediction square. Oh, I heard somebody say sunny. Yay! Everyone wants a sunny day for tomorrow. I hope your prediction is right. Let's see. How about if we say our alphabet together? Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. All right, let's count to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's find a color. Looking for the color yellow. Where's yellow? Something that is yellow. Do you see it? Who is it? It's Joy. Joy is yellow. Let's take a look. How about a shape? Can we find the rectangle? Where's the rectangle? There it is. There's the rectangle. What color is it? Blue. Yes, it is. Our nursery rhyme this week is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. Down the mouse ran. Hickory Dickory Dock. Let's watch that video. It's Mother Goose Club.
Sing the song, we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club.
That silly chicken. We saw him before with 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Remember that nursery rhyme? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, let's do it again. And then they say big fat hen. All right, let's take a look at this change. What is this one? It is a dime. This one is a quarter. Here is a nickel. And this one is a penny. Wonderful. Oh, we have a new number this week. It's the number 9. Look at my hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hearts for the number 9. How about this number? What is that? 1. This one? 7. Right here. 4. 6. 2. 8. 5. 3. And our letter this week is the letter N. N says N. N. Like Nemo and noodles. I love noodles with butter. So let's see if my internet will work so we can watch a clip of Nemo.
I'm going to school. 5 more minutes. Not you, Dad. Me. Get up, get up. Time for school, time for school, time for school, time for school. Whoa. Nemo. Nemo, don't move. Don't move. You'll never get out of here yourself. I'll do it. All right, where's the break? Is there still a break? Sometimes you can't tell because fluid is rushing into the area. Now, any rushing fluids, are you losing? How many stripes do I have? Answer the stripe question. 3. No! See, something's wrong with you. I have 1, 2, 3. That's all I have. Oh, you're okay. How's the lucky fin? Lucky? Let's see. Are you sure you want to go to school this year? Because there's no problem if you don't. You can wait 5 or 6 years. Come on, Dad. It's time for school. Forgot to brush. Do you want this anemone to sting you? Yes. Brush. Okay, I'm done. Oh, you missed a spot. Where? There.
All right, that was fine. And Nemo starts with the letter N. Let's make our letter N today, but first let's think about where we start our letters.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Going down.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go, Oz. Reach up. Way up is at the top.
Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top.
Here we go, going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom?
Yes, it's the bottom.
Bottom.
reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom,
Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top?
We hear ahs.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter,
And you better remember to start it at the top, going down.
Is this the top, top, top?
Then it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
Then it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top?
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Move to the rhythm.
All right. You're making the letter N today. The letter N starts with a big line down, just like the letter M did. It also has a big slide down. But instead of having a big slide up, we go right to the line up. And that is our letter N. So it starts at the top. And it's a big line, big slide, big line. My turn. Hands in lap, listening ears on. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. One more time. My turn. Hands in your lap. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. All right, do it with me. Fingers up. And here we go. We're starting under Mr. Matt's smiling face, and we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. One more time. Fingers at the top. We say, big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big line up. Wonderful. Great job. Get the letter N today. And the letter N says, So you're pushing that tongue up to the roof of your mouth behind your teeth. Pushing that air through. Excellent. All right. Well, that's the end of circle time. I say that since it's a rainy day today, today's a perfect movie day. I was thinking of maybe watching a Christmas movie and maybe making some Christmas cookies, because it's just that kind of day when it's rainy outside. I hope you stay warm and dry in your house today, and I miss you all. Stay safe, and I'll see you for music and story time. Bye, everyone.